Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, we are working in my family binder. I have $60 in prop money and my saving challenges. So let's get started. All right. So let's see. We are going to start with this one first. I don't remember where I left off at. So this is created by Budget with Carly. This is, I'm saving for my daughter. So let's roll a dice, see where we going to scratch. So 3, 1, 2, and 3. And that is a 7. Perfect. 5 and 7. Next is for my son. And this is created by Lemon Ivy, say $75. 3, so 1, 2, 3, and these numbers are a little spicy. And that is a 5 as I say that. All right. So $5. All right. Next is for me. And this is created by Janelle Ray Budget, 60 plus and 2. Let's go. I don't remember where I stopped, so let's go 1, 2. And that is a 7. Perfect. All right. Next we have, I'm throwing the money. Next is for hubby. And this is created by Stuffing Budget. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, we got our first cherry. And that is $10. And this is a mystery save. 5 and 10. Next we got this saving challenge here by Mischief Managed Budgets. Just one more episode, I swear. Oh, Gems, are you guys like into Big Brother? I have started watching season, I believe this is 27, has started, and this house guesses, I'm still trying to get the feel of them. I haven't picked my favorite yet. Usually I pick my favorite and then I like my favorite 3. Or my favorite 3, and out of 3, I try to determine like who will win it. And this season I don't know. I haven't found my favorite yet. But I mean, I'm like really into the theme this year, which is like a mystery, almost like Clue theme, which I really love that. And spoiler alert, if you haven't caught up on it, they bought Rachel back. I'm like, oh dear, Rachel. But yeah, so let me know if you guys are currently watching it and who is your top 3 players. So let's see. This, it's created by Mischief Managed Budgets, and these nice little cute cards. They have like old school TVs on it. And this says $120. I'm saving for home things. So this is a 2. Perfect. Next is and so the adventure begins. This is saving challenges created by Bookish Mama Budgets. I am saving for vacation, and we are doing the 2. So I'm just going to pick one on each side. Ooh, that is a 7 and a I think that's a 1. Yeah, so $8. So 5, 7, 8. And like I said, we are planning a big vacation for my son's graduation next year. That's what he wants his gift to be, so that shall be fun. Oh, and next we have our emergency fund. This is the What the Duck, the Life of a Duck Named What, created by Snow Garner 307. And we are saving for emergencies. So let me get my 2 dice here. Let me get my dice here. I'm sorry. And I am doing this the low budget way. So what I'm doing is, this is shut the box. And I'm just crossing as I go. And how many boxes left is how much I save. So we got $7. We got, hold on just a second, Jones. Okay. Had to readjust. So we have $11. So let's do 9 and 2. Oh no, another $11. Let's do 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's do 8 and 3. And we got 7 again, 6 and 1. All right, we need a 9. And we got 6 and 4, which is 10. Not quite, so 2 boxes left, which will be $2. And let's go ahead and finish this out. All right, we got 7. We got 6 and 5 for 11. So let's do 9 and 2. We got 3. We got 7. So let's do 6 and 1. All right, we got 5. Okay, we're doing pretty good. We need a 12. And we got 6, 7, 8. Okay. And we just need a 4. So let's do 1 dice here. Oh, and we got the 4. Look at that. Is that all of them? Yes. So no boxes left. That means no money. So let's go ahead and scratch one on this side. And this is What the Fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why did I just count 5? I don't know. Oh, I am a hot mess. So that is a 3. So 1, 2, and 3. All right. All right, and we want to do the shark one. So that 2, 3, 4, 5. So $5 going into emergency. And we might come back to that one. We are going to wait for our catch-all. And what we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Okay. Let's do another one on this one because these are kind of big. Let's see what we get here. Okay, that's a 5. Not too bad, not too bad. So hopefully that 15 is the highest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And let's do another one. Here, what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Let's just pick one. Let's go here. Okay, another 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, so we did that one. Ew, I don't know if I want to scratch another one on here. No, we not. We just going to start here next week. So I'm going to put this cute little bookmark here. Let's put it right there so I know come right on here. Or should I put it there? So it can stick out a little bit. So what I say, $6. I want to do another one this on here, but I don't know, because if it's another cherry, I might cry. You know what? I'm just going to put the rest into the catch-all here. Oop, money just flying everywhere. Yeah, we're just going to do that. So this is 100 envelope challenge created by Snow Garden 307. And I'm just doing it as a catch-all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6. Let's do here. So $6. Perfect. And this is like a nice little like rainy day kind of savings. I think I'm gonna keep that in here. All right, gems, that is it. That was $60 put into my family binder. I think I'm happy with this so far. I think I am. I think I'm loving it. All right, gems, that is it. Thanks everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. We are trying to get to 400 subscribers. I'm so close. So, if you don't mind, share with a friend and remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.